In a world dominated by social media, video content has become a powerful tool for communication and self-expression. However, not everyone feels comfortable stepping in front of the camera. If you find yourself among those who prefer to stay behind the scenes, fear not. Today, we will delve into the realm of social media video content creation, providing valuable insights for those who wish to share their stories without being on camera. Social media has revolutionized the way we connect, share, and express ourselves. Video content, in particular, has emerged as a dynamic and engaging form of communication. From entertaining vlogs to informative tutorials, the digital landscape is flooded with diverse video content. However, for many individuals, the idea of appearing on camera can be intimidating, whether due to shyness, privacy concerns, or a simple preference for anonymity. There are many reasons why some choose to stay behind the lens. Despite the prevalent emphasis on video content creation featuring the creators themselves, there exists a thriving community of content producers who excel in crafting compelling videos without ever stepping into the limelight. This video aims to guide and inspire those who prefer to remain off camera, exploring creative and effective ways to harness the power of social media video content. Voiceover narration. One effective method for creating engaging video content without being on camera is through voiceover narration. This technique allows you to convey your message, share stories, and provide information while remaining unseen. Utilize captivating scripts, expressive tones, and relevant visuals to complement your narrative, ensuring that your audience remains captivated. Screen recording and demonstrations. Another powerful approach is to create content through screen recordings and demonstrations. This is particularly useful for tutorials, software reviews, or showcasing digital artwork. By focusing on your expertise and providing valuable insights, you can establish credibility and build a loyal audience without ever revealing your face. Animated videos. Animation provides an excellent avenue for those who prefer a more creative and visually stimulating approach. There are various user-friendly tools available that allow you to create animated videos without extensive technical knowledge. Through animation, you can convey complex ideas, tell compelling stories, and entertain your audience while maintaining your desired level of privacy. Behind-the-scenes footage. Share glimpses of your creative process or day-to-day activities through behind-the-scenes footage. By showcasing your work environment, tools, and the effort that goes into your creations, you can forge a deeper connection with your audience without the need to appear on camera. This authenticity can resonate strongly with viewers. Conclusion. The world of social media video content creation is vast and diverse, offering numerous avenues for those who prefer to stay out of the camera frame. Whether through voiceover narration, screen recordings, animation, or behind-the-scenes footage, individuals can leverage their creativity, expertise, and unique perspectives to engage and connect with audiences worldwide. The key lies in finding the medium that aligns with your comfort level and allows you to share your story authentically. So to those who shy away from the spotlight, fear not. Your voice can still be heard, and your content can make a meaningful impact in the digital realm. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it with your fellow content creators. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.